Hello, my name is Teacher Jay and today we're going to do your speaking test. What's your name?
My name is Ronaldo.
Ronaldo, how old are you?
I'm 11.
What do you do in your free time?
Play soccer.
I play.
Play soccer.
This one here. Ronaldo, what is this?
Clock.
Clock. How about this one?
Music.
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
Okay, how about this one?
Sofa.
And this one? Window.
Window.
Ronaldo, what time is it? It's
8 o'clock.
good. And this one, where is it? It's in the living room. What's he doing? He's drawing. What's she doing? She's doing homework. What are they doing? They're reading a book. Now where is this? Living room? No. Where? Bedroom. Now what's this? Computer. What's he doing? He's playing video game. What's she doing? She's playing the guitar. What's she doing? She's sleeping. Number, what's he doing? He's drinking water. What are they doing? They are eating. Okay, next, your daily routine. What's this? I
wake up at 7 o'clock
in the morning. I eat breakfast at
7:30
in the morning. About this one, I
play soccer.
Soccer.
I drink
45 in the afternoon. I go to
bed at 9:45
at night. Okay. And subjects. What's her favorite subject? Her favorite. Her favorite subject is math. This one. Countries, what's this?
Brazil, Canada,
Egypt.
East,
South
South
Korea.
Korea, London,
Japan.
Japan, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines.
Ronaldo, where are you from? I'm from.
I from Vietnam,
Where's he from?
Canada.
He's from.
He from Canada.
How many?